Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to delete a category. So let's see how can we delete the category. So first of all, let's create a function for deleting the category. So go to the AdminController, and inside this controller, let's create another function here. So right here, public function and function name, which is categoryDelete, and pass here the argument, which is $id. And now let's fetch here the category according to this ID. Okay, so right here model name category, then colon function name, which is findOrFail, and inside this method just pass here the argument, which is $id. Okay, and after getting the category according to this $id, first of all let's check here if category has image. It means it has value, some value. Okay, then first of all delete the category image using the unlink directive, and then delete the category thumbnail image. And after deleting these images, just to delete the category, so call here the delete method, and after deleting the category, just to return back with a success message. So pass here the key success and message category deleted successfully. Okay, now save this, and let's create a route for this function. So go to the routes directory and then web.php, and inside the admin middleware route group, after this just create here a new route colon method name delete, and URI, which is this one, admin/category-delete, and pass here the route parameter, which is ID. Okay, then controller name and method name, which is categoryDelete, and after this just put here the route name, which is admin.category.delete. Okay, now go to the categories view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views and admin, and from here let's open categories view, and inside this view let's find here the delete link. So here you can see here, this is the delete link. Okay, delete. So here inside this form just add here the action. So put here the route name, which is admin.category.delete, and also pass the category ID. So right here ID arrow $category arrow ID. Okay, and now just remove this on submit. And inside this form, this is mandatory @csrf and method delete, and this is the delete button. Alright, now save this. Now before deleting this category, let's show here the confirmation dialog box. So for that just go to the brands view file, and from here let's copy the model, this delete model. So just select this, copy, and go back to the categories view file. After this main tag, closing tag, just paste here the model, and inside this model let's change here the text brand to category. So change here brand, just remove this brand and write here category. Also change here delete category name, this category. Okay, now let's find the brand. Okay, no more. Now go back to the brands view, and now let's copy this script, JavaScript. So let's copy this and go back to the categories view, and here after this closing div and before this closing layout tag, just put here, paste here this script. Okay, and now once again let's find here this one brand. So select this and press Ctrl D for multiple selections. So just press Ctrl D, Okay, continue pressing Ctrl D. Okay, if every brands are selected, now just change here the text category. Alright, and here inside this method, just make this C as a capital letter. Okay, delete category. Now let's call this delete category method. So here from the delete link, this is the delete button. Okay, so from here, just right here on click and just call the function which is delete category, and just pass here the element this category name. So right here inside the single quote, just write your double curly bracket, then dollar category arrow name, and then pass here the category ID. Okay, so right here double curly bracket, dollar category arrow ID. Okay, now save this. Now it's done. So let's check. So go back to the browser and just refresh the page. Now let's delete any category. So just click on this link. Okay, delete modal is not showing here. So let's check the JavaScript method. This one, delete category. Alright, here everything is good. I think there is another delete category method which is inside the admin layout file. So just go inside the layouts folder and let's open the admin view file, and here let's find the same function name. You can see here this is the function name, so just comment this. Alright, now save, and now go back to the browser and just refresh the page. Now let's delete the this category. So just click on this icon, delete icon, and you can see here the model. Okay, delete category, and here is the category name. If I click on cancel, it's not deleted. Now once more time just click on delete, and this time just click on delete, and you can see here category deleted successfully. This video covers category deletion for the admin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.